La-di-da-di-dum-bum. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are here? No, get out of here. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Aw, sweetie. I got a body built for sin and an appetite for passion. Okay. BOOZHOO. Okay. BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
Nino Giga Jade. Hello, good morning, and welcome back to BOOZHOO
Nanaboozhoo.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here today, of course, with Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And Nanaboozhoo.
Okay.
And we're going to start things off with a song. How about, what do you think?
Oh, I don't know. Anything.
Okay.
La 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 la.
I would be king. And
You would be queen.
nothing would keep us
Together,
We could beat that.
forever and ever.
And we could be heroes forever and ever. What you say? And
Me?
you can be me. And
I'll drink all the time.
'Cause we're lovers.
That is a fact. 'Cause we're lovers. That is that.
Nothing would keep us together. We could beat them just for one day.
Na, na, na.
And we could be heroes forever and ever.
What you say?
Oh,
Oh, we could be heroes just for one day. Oh, we could be heroes just for one day. One day, one
we
day.
could be heroes
Just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day.
nothing, and no one will help us. Maybe we're lying.
Better not stay.
It's time to go. It's better that way.
Na, na, na. Do, 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 do. We can be heroes just for one day.
Oh, we can be heroes. Nicely done, Rockstar. Hey, thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the Rockstar cartoonist. Ikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, brother. Hey, everyone, welcome to the show. And over here, the lovely and the very talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO Ni Weenie Mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
BOOZHOO! Gakita Awia! Hello, everybody.
Hey, can you do me a favor?
What's that?
Would you mind teleporting me outside?
Yeah, you got it.
I'm going to step outside, say a little prayer. You know, it's prayer day today, sweetie.
That's right. It's Anima E Good.
Anama e Gija good. Prayer day. That's what we call Sunday in Ojibwe. But yeah, I'm going to step outside, put on my tobacco, say a little prayer, and then we can get on with the show. Okay, hang on. And that's one to teleport. Make it so, number one. No. Oh, hey, BOOZHOO Beneshiug. Hello, birds. Mino Kikasheb. Good morning. Gotta say good morning to the birds. They're up early. Did you get your worm? I heard the early bird gets the worm. I don't talk all at once. I think that's must be what it's like for God when he hears prayers. It's got to be like listening to the birds chirp. Everyone's talking at the same time. It's like, oh, hang on, I can't listen. No. Anyway, Anama e Gija good. It is prayer day in Ojibwe. So, I'm going to get my little asema. BOOZHOO get manado. Hello, Great Spirit. Odapana niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Miigwech ka iji ka kina gegu ka iji chikea nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Taka we duka wishen minowe gikasheba. Please help me to speak well this morning. Miigwech ka iji bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Apeyenge. Amen. And that's my prayer, for what it's worth. You're asking me, will our love grow? I don't know, I don't know. Gawin in Gakain Danzine. Gawin in Gakain Danzine. I don't know. You ask me, will our love grow? I don't know. I didn't even know we were in love. How about that? Gawin in Gakain Danzine. Gawin, no. No is a word and a sentence. It's the most powerful word in the English language. No. The most powerful word in Ojibwe Moan. Gawin, no. Somebody might come up to you and say, hey, let's go do this thing. Let's go protest this thing. You say, Gawin. I don't want to be any part of I don't want to be part of the mob. Gawin. No. But Gawin, Ninkakain Danzin. If you want to say something is not something, if I were to say, yeah, I know, I would say, Ninkakain. Ninkakain. I know. I understand. Ninkakain. Yes. Yes, Creator. Ninkakain. I understand. Thy will be done. No. But if you want to say it, I don't understand. I don't know. You would say no, Gawin. Then you say the thing. I understand. Ninkakain. Or Ninkakain done. Ninkakain done. Kakain done means to understand. Ninkakain done. And then you add a Z. Say, Gawin, Ninkakain done zine. Z. You're asking me, will our love grow? Gawin, Ninkakain Dan zin. Ninga kain dan zin. Gawin ninga kain dan zin. No, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why everybody stopped watching our show all at once. Not only do I not know, I kind of don't care. I know it's weird, Kitchimanadu and Dush Beneshiyag. I know it's weird, Great Spirit and the birds listening to me right now. The only ones who are. Something weird happened, man. And we're going on 7-8 weeks now. And you know what happened, Gitchimanadu. You birds probably don't know. But I dumped all my friends and family about 7 weeks ago. And I could explain why. Or maybe I was dumped by all my friends and family. Something happened where I just divorced everybody I used to know, including the viewers of the show. The only one who's still around is Natasha and Michael Lyons. Occasionally Emily Aubrey comes in to play guitar, but it's a weird time. But I think I'm doing okay. So miigwech for that, Gitchimanadu. Miigwech gagage niwi gashkeno moen. Thank you for healing my sadness. Maybe you guys are like that. Or maybe you're like that. Future person watching this video when we're not on live. Have you ever had to dump all your friends at once? The only friend I really have who I've never met is a gentleman named Jim Dunn. We call him Jim Been There, Done That. No. Jim Done With It. No, Jim's also one of the few of the BOOZHOO crew who have been here. But I've heard of people who are on the walk, on the path. Sometimes you might find yourself on the red road, the Misqua Mikana. Sometimes when you get off the wide road that everybody else is walking and you start making your own path, or you find your own path, you might find yourself walking away from everybody, including everything you've ever known. I wonder if that's not part of it. Like Gitchimanadu, they talk about there are chosen people. You might be chosen to walk the warrior's way. Or maybe you chose yourself to do it. But if you leave the pack, you're going to be a lone wolf. You're going to be a Beijigo, or a Beijig Ma'ingan, a one wolf, or whatever lone means. But that doesn't mean you have to be lonely. You can just be alone, be out here in the woods with the birds, and get your Manadu. What do you want? Oh no, I want parties around me all the time. I want to be on a yacht with Leonardo DiCaprio and Greta Thunberg. And a bunch of models. I wanna Nah, I'm okay being out here in the woods. But I think I better go back. Alright, birds. I'm gonna mahjong, but hang around, I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright. Boop 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 boop. Beep beep. Beep beep. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. You ready to come home, NanaBOOZHOO? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it! Let's see, scan it for your coordinates. Alright. Lock it in on your
coordinates.
Okay.
And 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Hey, baby doll.
Why?
How was it outside?
Oh, it's just beautiful.
Did you put out your tobacco and say a little prayer?
I did. I noticed Jim's back.
Jim done?
Yep.
Hey, Jim, how you doing?
Natasha says, "BOOZHOO." And Wigglebutt Farm's back.
Well, Wigglebutt Farm, bless my heart.
Bless your heart.
I mean, bless your heart.
Bless your heart, Wigglebutt. Wigglebutt says, "BOOZHOO." I think the whole world is getting weird these last several weeks. It's been a while since I've listened. My apologies. Life has been crazy for the last few weeks. You too?
The world is all going nuts.
Do you think it's the end of days?
Do you think it's the apocalypse?
Yeah, that's my theory. Things have gotten weird around here. I mean, in a way, I don't even want to label it. But yeah, it's different now. And it changed right around Mother's Day. But we've been very isolated and secluded. And, you know, we made a big break from our past life. I feel like I've died and been resurrected.
You got a Messiah complex?
Yeah, I feel like Jesus. No, I'm kidding. I don't want to blaspheme on prayer day.
Don't blaspheme. What are you, crazy?
Yeah. Under my egg, use your good. Prayer day. But yeah, so it's been weird for Wigglebutt. It's been weird for us. Has it been weird for you, Michael? Yeah, it's been very weird, but it's been good. Yeah? Yeah, I think so. But it's been heavy. Heavy. These are heavy times we're living in. You know, maybe this would be a good time to talk about the 7 Anishinaabe values. The 7 grandfather's teachings.
That's a great idea.
You think so?
Yeah, because that's what we call the show.
Well, there you go. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Ni je suis Anishinaabe apitendagozi. The 7 Anishinaabe values. Or sometimes it's called the 7 grandfather teachings. The Ni je suis Mishomis Gikununoin Iriwug. The 7 grandfather teachings. And what these teachings are, you know what these are, sweetie?
Yeah, I know what they are.
Whoops, it's not my prayer. Here we go. Come on, feel the noise. Let me pull this up for the girls and boys. All right. The 7 Anishinaabe values. Respect is symbolized by the buffalo. R-E-S-P-C-T.
Boo-da-da-boo-beep-boo-boo.
R-E-S-P. Respect. The prairie cow. How do you say that in Ojibwe?
You're asking me? That's the, oh, I knew it. It's called the Bashike.
I forget. Anyway, there's respect. Wisdom is symbolized by Amik, the beaver. Honesty is symbolized by Sabe, the Bigfoot. You got courage. That is the bear, Makwa. The wolf represents humility. The turtle represents truth. The Bedane Diziwin. And then, of course, Zaga Iriwin, love.
Love. Represented by the eagle, Migazi.
Yep, by Migazi, the big old eagle. Because everybody loves an eagle.
Why is it that the eagle represents love?
I think it's because eagle kind of represents God, and God is love.
Really?
I don't know. But anyway, Nijwaswi Anishinaabe Apitenda Gozi. The 7 Anishinaabe values are these 7 values that if you're walking a red road, if you find your true path, if you're going to become a true human being, it's not the 10 commandments, but it's like a true human being lives with courage and honesty and truth and love and all this stuff. They're known as the Nij Anishinaabe Apitenda Gozi. And I don't know. What do you think, Michael? Yeah, I think I think it's the whole point of learning your culture. Yeah, is that you learn about the values of your ancestors. Yeah, there you go. These are also the values of our ancestors. This is what kind of kept the humanity together back in the day. And if we can understand our values and stuff, maybe we can fix ourselves, huh? Yeah. Or, as the lovely Natasha sings, she can fix us. You think so? Yeah. Here's a song by Michael Lyons and Natasha, and it's by, who did this? By Coldplay. By Coldplay. And it's Fix You.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, if you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Can y'all hear me all right?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yep.
Hey y'all, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and
My name is Emily. Over here we got the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, Natasha. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina Awiya.
And then, of course, over here, we got the star of the show, Mr. NANABOOZHOO. Say hello, NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And over there, in that corner, we got the rock star cartoonist. The rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons.
Hello, Michael Lyons.
And if y'all are ready then, I say we get the show started. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha.
BOOZHOO, Gakina Awiya. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Natasha.
BOOZHOO. I don't know what that was. Oh, lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Why is that song so sad? The lyrics are actually kind of nice. When you try your best but you don't succeed. You ever try your best and still fail? I have. It feels good to be able to say, well, I did my best. You know, when you fail after you tried your hardest and you really did do your best, you can't blame being lazy or something. It's okay then, you know. It's like, well, you know, I really tried. Nobody wants to be like in their old age and they go, I wonder what would have happened if I had tried my hardest, you know. People don't regret things they did. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe if you lived a crap life and you're mean to people and selfish, and maybe you live with regrets. But I think when I get older, I'm not going to regret the things I did. I'm going to regret the things I didn't do. The things I didn't try my best at. But then again, who knows? Why do they always talk about it in those terms like, oh, when you don't want to die alone, lonely and alone, so you should blah, blah, blah now. Like all your goals in life should be to avoid this one, oh, that'd be so horrible if you were alone when you were dying. You know, you should get married so you don't die alone. Well, just because you get married and have a bunch of kids doesn't mean you're not going to die alone. You can still drive off a cliff and die in a car crash all by yourself. You can have a bunch of kids and grandkids and alienate them all so much that nobody visits you anyway. And you're just shuffled off into a nursing home to die. You know, oh, don't, you don't want to die alone, do you? Well, what are some other goals I might have? And it's also weird to have like anti-goals. These are the things I don't want. So many things that we do in life are just to avoid things we don't want. We don't go after gold. Oh, I want this thing. I want a new boat. I want a speedboat. So I'm going to do these things. No, people don't have goals like that. We have goals like, I don't want to end up homeless. I don't want to get fat. I don't want to, go to jail. I think a lot of us, our goals are just things not to have. I know sometimes when I pray, I don't pray for stuff I have. I thank the Creator for stuff I don't have. Like, thank you for keeping me out of trouble. Thank you that I don't have any kids out there that hate me. Thank you that I've never been divorced. Thank you that I haven't, gotten fat. Thank you that I'm not addicted to meth or fentanyl or coke or all these terrible drugs. Thank you that I'm not, all my gratitude is for stuff I don't have. Thank you that I didn't get vaccinated. Thank you that I'm not in school anymore. That's what I should do. I should just say a little prayer and thank the Creator for stuff I don't have, for crying out loud. BOOZHOO Kachimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Linnea, Natasha. It's Natasha. Minaway again. Odapana niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Mikwach kaishi kakina keku. Kaishi chikea nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Daga we dukawishin. Minaway gigasheba. Please help me to speak well this morning. Mikwach kaishi bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Apeke. Amen. Oh, and miigwech for all the stuff I don't have. All the problems of other people deal with. Thank you that I don't have, enemies. Thank you that I'm not in jail. Thank you that I'm not, in the military, having to go somewhere and dodge bullets. Thank you I'm not a lady police officer. Getting pushed around by average-sized men and have no authority and all the danger. Thank you for waking me up to all the lies I was believing. Miigwech gagage diwi gashke namoan. Thank you for healing my sadness. Thank you for our teleporter. Not a lot of people have a teleporter. They can just step outside and be in the woods in just a second. That's pretty cool. Thank you for our show. Dash miigwech bisandawieg. And thank you for listening. Alright, I guess I'll go back. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
BOOZHOO,
Hi, sweetie.
you have reached the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
What?
No, I'm just kidding.
I thought it was the answering machine.
Yeah, I know. That's what I wanted you to think.
Can you pick me up?
Yeah, you got it. All right, that's one to teleport.
Make it so, number one. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha.
Ta-da!
Hey, welcome home.
Thank you so much.
Did you put out your tobacco?
I put on my tobacco and I thank the Creator for things we don't have.
Yeah? Like what?
I don't know. More bills we can't pay.
Yeah, there you go.
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Niban Wendam O Manungum Niban Wendam O Manungum. I'm happy to be here today.
Do you want to take a call?
Oh, sure, I'll take a call. Line 2?
Yep, line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey, man. It's me. It's Joe Biden.
Hey, President Biden! Wow!
Da 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 da.
Da 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 da. No, that's the Queen of England song. What's the president's song, Mr. Biden?
Huh? No, the president's. Wait, what you talking about, Jack?
You know, like when the music, then when the president comes out, it's something like da 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 da.
Oh yeah, I like that song.
Da 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 da
Da da da da da da da da da.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, Mr. President. It's a great honor. What can I do for you today?
Well, I was watching your show, right? And I thought to myself, I want to learn the Ojibwe phrase of the day. I mean, I did. That's no joke. No fooling.
Really? You want to learn the Ojibwe phrase?
Yeah. What's that? The 7 Indian values?
Oh, the 7 Anishinaabe values? The grandfather teachings? Nishwaswi, Anishinaabe, Apitendagozi. 7 Anishinaabe values.
Nishwaswi, Anishinaabe Apitendagozi. Those are 7 Anishinaabe values, huh, Jack?
Yeah, quit calling me Jack.
Yeah, I'm running for president.
Yeah, that's the rumor I heard. It's hard to believe.
yeah, no fooling. That's no joke. That's not hyperbole. I was out on the beach and I was trying to take my shirt off, but I couldn't get it off. But then it came off.
Yeah, I saw. Did you see that when Biden was on the beach trying to drag his little chair?
Yeah, that was kind of sad.
You sure you want to run for president again?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna restore the dignity and hope and change. And say, have you seen my coke?
Your what?
My cocaine. I put some cocaine down by the things there and the cubby hole, and I took my coke.
Oh, is that yours?
Yeah, no, president for Biden. For Biden, listen to me. I am Biden.
I know.
That's from my what's my son's name?
Hunter?
Yeah, Hunter. I was like, hey, Hunter, why don't you hunt in them cubby holes I left your little present? And then somebody found it. So now I gotta.
Mr. President?
Huh? What?
You fell asleep.
Who is this?
This is Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, silly.
Oh, yeah. Hey, guess what?
What?
I can smell your hair. Let me give me a sniff.
You can't smell my hair. You're on the phone, and that's creepy anyway. That's the other thing I saw. What's with him trying to sniff and eat children?
Yeah, I know. It's terrifying.
You should cut that out.
I love children. Hunter, he's the smartest boy I ever knew. Jack.
Yeah, okay, I gotta go.
Hey, how y'all say goodbye in Indian?
In Ojibwe?
Yeah, how you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minoa.
Gigawamin. What?
Gigawabamin. Minoa.
Gigawamin, Minoa, Jack.
What a creep.
Yeah, but he's the president. He deserves our respect.
Maybe your respect, not mine.
Da 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 da.
No, you did it again, silly.
Oh, right. What's the song?
Da 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 da. La di da hoka hey baby da. Ha do 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 do.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
Another call in line 2.
Oh, line 2, huh? Busy morning.
Yeah.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Whoops. You're on the air.
Good morning, Natasha. It is I, this the Count von Count.
Well, hey, Count. Sweetie, it's Count Von Count from Sesame Street.
Hey, how you doing, Count? Nanaboozhoo. I am doing very well this morning. But, Natasha, how does one say good morning in Ojibwe?
Oh, funny you should ask. I was going to get around to this. Did you know Michael Lyons was a cartoonist as well as a rock star?
Yes, it is true. Michael Lyons is the rock star cartoonist.
Yeah, and he drew a cartoon called Ojiberish that would teach an Ojibwe word of the day. So here we've got the sun, the Jesus, and he's saying, good morning, Ajitamu, or squirrel. Mino Gigashabe.
Mino, Gigajeb, Ajitamu. Good morning, squirrel.
Exactly, very good. And then the squirrel says, Mino Gigashabe, Jesus.
Mino, Gigajeb, Gizes. Good morning, sun. But I do not wish the sun a good morning.
You don't? Why not?
For I hate the sun. If I see the sun, it burns my skin.
You get burned in the sun?
Yes, I am a vampire. I cannot be out in the day, or I will die.
Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting. He's a vampire.
Oh, really? You can't walk around during the day? No, I have to sleep in a casket at night.
Well, then how come you're called? It's the morning anyway.
Yes, I have yet to go to bed. I was out all night killing people.
You were not.
I was drinking their blood.
Get out of here.
No, I kid. I am just a friendly vampire, and I work on Sesame Street.
Yeah, you sure do. Listen, I gotta get going, Count. Anything else I can do for you?
No, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minowa.
Gigawaba min, minowa.
The Count.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
He's really cool. I love it when he calls in. All right. Well, what do you boys think? Should we call it a show?
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for watching Chimigwatch Ganawabi Egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And these two knuckleheads.
Hey.
I am Natasha. This is the one and only NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minowa. Oh,
Yeah, man, it's pretty good.
What do you think, Michael?
I think it's perfect.
Okay. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Miigwech.